Hello everyone, I am Vijay, CSC undergrad. Today I am going to explain you about super keyword in Java. In this video, I am going to explain you how can we use the super keyword in Java and what is the importance of super keyword. So in the world of object oriented programming, the concept of inheritance is fundamental. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is the property of acquiring a acquiring the properties of a uh, a class to another class. Suppose there is a parent class A and a child class B. So when we inherit the parent class A, so then we get the features of the class A. So without inheritance, uh, we can't use super keyword. So if you want to use the super keyword, a class must be inherited. However, there are many times when you need to explicitly reference or interact with superclass. This is where super keyword comes into play. So super keyword is a powerful tool that allows you to access and utilize the properties and methods of the immediate superclass from within the class. So using super keyword, we can only access the immediate superclass. So superclass provides a way to bridge the gap between subclass and superclass. With the help of super keyword, we can access the superclass constructor. We can invoke the superclass constructor. We can access the members of superclass and we can also access the methods in the superclass. Uh, Accessing superclass constructor. When you create an instance of subclass, the constructor of superclass is called implicitly. If the superclass constructor requires argument, you can use super and you can pass any parameters into the constructor of the as a parameter to the superclass. Accessing superclass methods or fields. If a subclass overrides a method from its superclass but still wants to access the superclass implementation of that method, we can use super keyword and method name to explicitly call this superclass method. So in the same way, we can also access the members of the superclass. So now let us go through the example. You can understand the concept in depth. So this is the example. In this example, there is a class named parent and another class is child class. So this child class extends or this child class inherits the parent class. So we have some methods in the parent and child class. So uh, here using this statement, we can access the superclass constructor. So this is the syntax to use the super keyword to access the constructor of parent class. Next, to access the methods of the superclass, we can use super keyword dot method name of the method name in the parent class. And we can also access the variable. So when we let us run the program. So see, first we have created the object for the child class by passing the parameters and then we call the method display. So this super dot display, this statement, using this statement, we can access the method in the parent class. So this statement will be executed and the output will be like this. And immediate next immediate statements will be executed. So this statement will be executed later. Next, object to call super method. So using this method, we can invoke the super class method. So this method will be invoked using the super keyword. Next, we have created the another object for the child class. Using that object, we accessed the child class and as well as parent class. Display. So we passed these parameters to the constructor, and this constructor will be invoked, and values for values will be initialized. So this child variable will be initialized here, and here using the statement, the control will be transferred to parent class, and the parent class constructor will be invoked. Then parent variable will be initialized. So after that, we call the display method in the child class. Then first first we return that super keyword dot display. This method, using this method, we can access the super class method. So this method will be accessed, then the statement will be executed. So here you see the parent variable 5. And next statement is child variable. Child variable will be printed. I hope you understand this. You understand about the super keyword. Thank you.